To fix a declining credit card, it is essential to understand the reasons behind the decline. The most common reasons for a credit card decline include insufficient funds, exceeded credit limit, expired or invalid card, incorrect card information, and security concerns. First, verify your credit card information to ensure it is correct and up to date. Check your card expiration date and update it if necessary. Also, confirm that your credit limit has not been exceeded and that you have sufficient funds in your account. Next, contact your bank or credit card issuer to report the issue. They can provide you with more information on why your card is being declined and guide you through the process of resolving the issue. Be prepared to provide your account information and answer security questions to verify your identity. Another step is to check for any security concerns or fraud alerts on your account. If your bank or credit card issuer has detected suspicious activity, they may have placed a hold on your account, causing your card to decline. In this case, you will need to verify your identity and confirm that the transactions in question are legitimate. To avoid credit card declines in the future, it is crucial to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to your bank or credit card issuer immediately. Also, keep your credit card information up to date and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover your transactions. Additionally, consider setting up account alerts to notify you when your credit limit is approaching or when suspicious activity is detected. This will help you to stay on top of your account activity and prevent declines. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the issue causing your credit card to decline, and take measures to prevent it from happening again in the future. Remember to always monitor your account activity and keep your credit card information up to date to ensure smooth and secure transactions.